Man, what am I gonna do?
Oh, hey!
That's what I am.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George.
Hello guys, today is Mario Legends for Kafka Part 7. It's the final part, and today helping me will be Luigi, my younger brother. Say hello, Luigi.
Hello, and actually, I'm bigger.
Yeah, but I'm older.
Yeah, and also, you're number 1 and I'm number 2.
Loser, that's what your L stands for. Please don't tag me.
Tag!
No, I mean a tag. You know what? Okay, let's get started. Lesson number 1.
Okay.
Okay, so lesson number 1 is really simple. Now, Luigi also knows this. Always wash your hands.
Yes, after the toilet and the bathroom.
Yeah. Okay, let's get started with lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is...
So, what's number 2?
spend time with your families, even though I don't spend time with my own brother. But spend time with your own families.
And spend time with your own friends and brothers.
Unless you can't go outside.
Yes.
Play the Nintendo Entertainment System
Yeah, and
with your family.
And also don't forget to go to the Nintendo eShop.
I mean, how are we going to do that?
And don't forget to get the Nintendo Switch at the Nintendo eShop.
You can't get a Nintendo Switch on the eShop. You need a Nintendo Switch to go on the eShop, Luigi, you idiot.
Oh.
You need a
We have a
Switch.
Nintendo. We have a
You
Nintendo-
need a Switch.
We have a Nintendo Switch. Oh. We have a Nintendo Switch.
Now, just to let you know that we've gone through a lot of the more important lessons. Okay, lesson number 2, or 3. No, lesson number 2. Lesson number 3 is stay 2 meters away from people. That's one we haven't mentioned.
Yeah, and stay away.
Even if you're in a house, stay a couple feet away from them because you don't know what kind of sickness they could be carrying.
Yeah. And also, don't forget to stay away. And
Luigi, stop it.
And don't forget to not go in people's houses.
But you're not allowed to go in people's houses.
Yes, I know. That's what I said.
Oh, I thought you said don't forget to go in people's houses. And the final lesson, I know this video is really short, but the final lesson is watch the Super Mario Bros. 1, 2, 3, 4 Nintendo channel. Subscribe to us because we want to hit 100 subscribers.
Yes.
I mean-
and 100,000.
And we only have 10 subscribers right now.
Yeah. We reach 100,000 and then
We need 100. No, we need 100 subscribers. Then we need 500. Then we need 800. Then we need 1,000. And then we need 1,200.
And then what?
So that's the final lesson. Watch your channel and subscribe, and and post something down. Post something down in the comments if there's anything. But why did you run at me like that?
Because you're taking so long.
Dude, the video's only been 4 minutes.
Yes, but you're taking so long talking.
Yeah, but anyways, stop it.
Dog it.
Anyways.